That's so smart. And that's so much easier. What?
Yeah,
That's because
yeah,
if you use the first way, and I know this by
yeah,
experience, okay, because
yeah.
like whenever we have hard questions in the textbook, I literally spend 5 minutes staring at it, trying to find the factors. But this is so much simpler. What?
Yeah. I'll give you one question. Okay. X square plus 32x plus 192. Do it. Factorize it with the method
Yeah,
that you
okay,
know.
I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Because I would not be able to do that. Yeah.
You're not even trying.
Yeah.
Just try now. Just
As soon
try.
as I see a big number, I know
Uh,
that it's gonna take me a while if I know use that way. Yeah.
mm. Right. Okay. So basically, according to the method that you know, that's true. Okay. Every student
Yeah.
uses that, and there is no
Mm.
uh, doubt in that. But see, if you use that, so you need to find two numbers such that the addition is 32
Mm.
and the product of these two numbers is
Yeah.
192, isn't it? Right. Okay. So it's very difficult, I guess. So maybe in the school they told you that you need to focus on this product thing, like this 192,
Yeah.
and then you need to factorize it or just think
Factorize and
which two
then use the
numbers.
factors to like add up to 32. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I think that's a difficult task. But now there is a observation here that we can see. When you are finding two numbers such that their addition is 32. So my point is that I want you to focus on this 32 rather than this 192. It is more
Mm.
easier if we focus on 32. Okay, I'll tell you why. See, the two numbers that I add, maybe let's say 16 and 16, let's suppose. If I
Yeah.
do the half of the number 32, I get 16 and 16. So their addition is 32. Okay.
Mm.
Now just an interesting fact here. Let's say this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 15, 14, 13, and 12. Okay. Now see, if I move, one step ahead of 16 and one step before 16. So let's say I am here and here. If you take these two numbers, 15 and 17, if you add them, then also the addition is 32, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you move two steps ahead and two steps here, 14 and 18, if you add them again,
Also
you
32.
also 32. So basically 16 is the number and 16 is the average, like
Yeah.
the half of 32. So what observation we can see that 16 is a number, like in this case, if you move some unit after 16 and some unit before 16, like the same amount of unit before 16, and if you add those two numbers, then you will still end up getting 32, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so can I say that I am moving, let's say, a constant c here and minus c. So I'll say 16 plus c and 16 minus c, and I'll
Yeah.
get 32 as my answer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so can I treat this as my first number, like here, that I need to find, and this as my second number that I need to find, this one. And
Yeah.
their addition makes 32, isn't it? Okay.
Mm.
Now, the number that I write here is the same that I have to write here, right? Because
Yes.
the same number product should be 192. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
can I say that 16 plus c multiplied by 16 minus c should be equals to this 192 technically?
Yeah. Of
Now,
course.
can you see it's a plus b into a minus
A
b?
minus b. Yeah.
So what do you get? 16 square minus c square.
Right.
That is
Minus c
192.
squared.
So it's very easy to find c now. So c square will be 16 square minus 192. And I think 16 square is 256.
Minus
Do you
192.
get?
And that's so smart. And that's so much easier. What?
Yeah,
That's because
yeah,
if you use the first way, and I know this by
yeah,
experience, okay,
yeah.
because like whenever we have hard questions in the textbook, I literally spend 5 minutes staring at it, trying to find the factors. But this is so much simpler. What?
Yeah.
That's
Okay, so
crazy.
yeah, that's method exists, and I know that you will be going to give me this
Yeah.
expression.
I'll be using this now. This makes my life
Okay,
so
yeah,
much easier.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, now solve this. What do you get?
Um, 4.
64. Yeah,
C equals 8.
not 8, plus minus 8, right?
Oh yeah, plus minus 8. Yeah.
Just stick to the basic thing, right? Plus and
I've
minus 8.
I've
Okay,
lost marks on the test because of the plus minus.
yeah.
It's yeah.
Mm. Okay, so take care of this. Yeah, so now we have two values. With either C can be 8 or either C can be minus 8. So let's just
Mm,
substitute into the first number. So when C is equal to plus 8. So first number will be 16 plus 8. And the second number will be 16 minus 8, right? So what do you get?
yeah.
24 and
Um.
8,
Yeah.
right? So 24 into 8, 24 and 8 are the two numbers such that if I add them, I'll be getting 32. If I multiply them, I'll be getting 192, isn't it?
Yeah.
Similarly, if I take C value as minus 8, then the first number that I will be getting is 16 minus 8. The second number will be 16 minus of minus 8. So here it is 8 and here it is again 24. So again I'm getting 8 and 24.
Mm,
Correct? So we are not having any ambiguous case here. We are just getting the same answer. So again
yeah.
8 and 4. So now I think your teacher told you that always we can convert this type of a thing into this one, x plus something into x plus something.
Oh.
That's how you factorize,
Wait.
isn't it?
Oh yeah. 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 Sorry, I thought you were talking about 92 only. Yeah.
No, 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 no. Like
Yeah.
this
This
whole
whole
thing
thing.
can
Yeah.
be
You put it into
equated,
x plus. Yeah.
right? So now this is my basically first number, and this is my second number.
Yeah.
Now what's my first and second? 8 and 24.
24.
Yeah, so I can just directly say the answer for this question is x plus 8 into x plus 24.
Yeah.